So you're probably thinking, Evelyn, there's no way you're going to fit all of those things in this bag, but I will, and I will show you how I am going to do it. Hey there, Culture Eaters! How are you doing today? I'm doing a quick video to show you everything I am bringing for a 1-month trip. It's all right behind me right here, and my bag has to be under 16.5 pounds. So I will show you how to pack light and have all the essentials with you. I really wanted to do a packing test because I'm going for 1 month to Europe. There's my cat. And my bag, I am going on 5 low-cost airlines, and they have very restricted rules about carry-on, and I am doing carry-on. I'm not checking anything in, which means that my bag had to be under, I think, 20 by 15 by 8 inches. Mine's actually a little, I think it's 20 by 8 by 12, 13 inches, so the size is perfect. And my lowest weight for my backpack has to be 8 kilos or 16.5 pounds. And my purse cannot be over 2 kilos or about 4 pounds. So quite a challenge, especially when you're plus size, because your clothes takes more space. There's more material. So I had to do a test run. And for my first test run, it went pretty well. So yeah, probably maybe you're in the same situation where you're not used to packing very light, but you're going on this kind of a trip because you want to save money, because checking luggage is stupid crazy expensive. So I thought I would show you how I am packing, and hopefully it'll help you out if you go on a long trip soon. So let me show you what's going in my backpack. So I'll give you a quick rundown of what is in my bag. So first of all, here I am bringing 2 pairs of capris. I'm going September, October, so I really can have a wide variety of weather. Here I have 2 pairs of cotton like yoga pants. They're not leggings, so I know Europe doesn't like leggings. Here I have 3 t-shirts. Here I have 2 tops that are a bit fancier, but I can wear also during the day. I have a bathing suit. I have 2 pairs of shoes I'm bringing, 1 more sneaker-like, and 1 pair of sandals, my purse. This is the bag. It's awesome. I'm going to put a link in the description for it. Here I have all my chargers and kinds of stuff like that, like Kleenex, little random things. All my liquids are over here. I'm bringing 2 sweaters, 1 very light sweater, 1 hoodie. I'm bringing 1 dress. That's my luxury item. It could definitely be smaller, but I really want to bring this dress. My nightie, 6 pairs of underwear, 5 pairs of socks, and 2 bras. I have a rain jacket that I can fold. Here I have gifts for the people I'm visiting. I'm visiting and staying at 3 people. My tablet, my phone, my camera, some converters, and all my beauty stuff and hair stuff and all of that in here. Little tip, usually now I go with a rolling suitcase, but the whole mechanism is actually quite heavy. I weighed my very light suitcase with wheels, and it weighed about 4.4 pounds, and my bag is supposed to be about more or less 15 pounds, and I'm like, that's about 1/3 of my bag. No way. So I found a backpack which weighs 1.5 pounds instead. So that's a really big tip. Pack light. Your luggage itself should be as light as possible. Okay, weird filming angle, I know, but I just wanted to say I do own packing cubes, but they're too heavy. I'm gonna pass the limit with my packing cubes. So I have to pack without them, and I found the best way to do that is to fold my clothes Marie Kondo style. So I thought I would give you a quick tutorial on how to do that. So for pants, shorts, capris, whatever, kind of do like you normally would, kind of folding like here and bringing the legs together, and then you lay it out flat and you fold it half in half, and then depending on the length, the idea is to do a little package that can stand on its own. So usually it's 3, but these are pretty long, so see, the idea is that it can stand and you can squash things and they take very little room. how do you fold a t-shirt, a sweater, a top? I will show you how. So ideally you want the front in the line flat on the ground, just if you have a graphic or something, you know what it is. So you lay it out flat like that. Now you fold it into thirds. If you had sleeves, you would fold them in here. Again, same principle, we're gonna fold it in half, and then we're going to fold it into thirds, and there you go. You have a little package that stands on its own. So you do all of your clothes like that, roll your underwear, everything really small. All right, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to put all of these things, or a couple of things are going to go in my purse, but how I'm going to fit all of these things in this bag. So, one tip, I mean, this is my first run, so I might, you know, find the courage to get rid of some things along the way, hopefully, but I'm pretty happy for my first run. But one thing I want to say is that every ounce or gram counts. So sometimes I had items, I literally used my cooking digital scale to weigh things, because I thought for sure my sandals would go in my bag and my shoes wouldn't go in the bag. Turns out these are lighter, so I'm gonna wear my sandals on the way there. So what I start with is, well, I'm gonna first put aside the clothes I know I'm wearing on the day that I'm traveling. So I have my yoga pants, a t-shirt, my heavier sweater, and one set of underwear. You don't necessarily need to see that. So that's everything I'm wearing on the plane. So what I like to do is start with the longer items and work up with some thinner items along the way. So usually my capris are the widest. And see how they're folded, but they're just stacking up. And I have my other pair of cotton pants. I'm gonna put them like this. The dress is next. I like to put my nicer tops a little further away from the top of the edge so they can be protected. My t-shirts, the two other teacher t-shirts, because I'm wearing one. My nightie and a little something else that I need. Here's my bathing suit. So I still have a bit of space here. So I am going to put my shoes here. And my foldable waterproof jacket, rain jacket, can go right here. Oh, I forgot a tip. One tip is if you have certain items, you can shove them in your shoes. So that saves a bit on space. So I'm gonna put my socks in there, and my adapters can fit in there, and that's about it. So put the shoes back, put the rain jacket. My underwear have been really rolled into little cigars, so I can just shove them over here. The sandals I'm wearing on the plane. Now let's see, I have one bra left. We'll squeeze that here. See, if I squish things, I still have a bit of room. So I'm gonna put all my beauty products, my shampoo. I got a shampoo conditioner bar at Lush instead of carrying some liquids, so that's saving on liquid space. That's awesome. And let's see what else is going in here. I have my adapters, Kleenex, a couple of things like that. I will be putting my camera here because my purse will be too heavy if I put it in there. But it's with me, it's carry-on. So my actual camera that I'm filming with is gonna go right here, so I'll just pretend to put it there. Next, I have my light sweater, and that's it for the bag. See how it all fits? I've got my little secure straps here. That's gonna really make everything a little bit smaller. I'm doing this real quick. Obviously, I'll do this a little bit better when I leave, but see, it's really very well contained. So we're gonna close this, and you're gonna see how everything fits in here. All right, so this bag, which is really awesome, it's from Heinz Eagle. I will again link to it. I can't remember the model, but on all four corners, I can clip these things to really make it a little thinner and more secure. I always bring a couple of plastic bags. It's always practical to have, dirty underwear, whatnot. We'll shove those in there. This bag also has a sleeve here that you can put some papers. That's the one thing I haven't done yet, is print stuff out. So you can put papers in here, a pen, there's little pockets. It's very practical for that. I'm gonna put my liquids in here because it'll be easier to take out when I pass security. And there's my bag. Just for weight, I checked a bit earlier. The presents I'm bringing for people, I realize it's better if I put them in my purse. Kind of distributes the weight better. So there you go, there I am packed, and this is everything I'm bringing with me for an entire month. Why don't we go on the scale and weigh these and see how heavy they are. So my scale is in pounds, and the only thing missing in my luggage is this camera. So I'm gonna have to add a little bit for it, but let's get it on there. Oh my God, look at that. 14.6 pounds. With the camera, it'll be about 15. This purse has to be under 2 kilos or about 4 pounds. Again, my scale is in pounds, and it is 3 pounds 14 ounces, so just under. So I hope you really enjoyed this video and my showing you how I'm going to travel 1 month with this bag for an entire month. So I hope you learned a lot of tips and tricks, and that your luggage will be lighter the next time you travel. Let me know if you like this video, give it a like, and subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. I don't want you to miss any of the awesome videos to come, and there's going to be a lot of Europe content coming. And always remember to eat and travel outside of your comfort zone. Mwah! Bye.